Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else.
Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail.
If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. In this life we cannot do great things. We can only do small things with great love. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it.